Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 15 Plus. First of all, open App Store on both devices to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Sorry, misclick. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. I will start with 15 Plus. In the Library pop-up, select Allow Full Access and then choose wherever you wish to in Activity 1 and Notifications 1. If you see this kind of pop-up about personalizing your ad experience, you can choose wherever you want to as well. Then click on Close this window. Now on the other device, allow full access, one of those options, and don't allow or allow in the notifications window. Finally, in this white pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and close it by hitting OK. If you see this kind of pop-up about notification settings, just tap on Cancel. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Apple device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of 15 Plus. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top of Apple smartphone, you can select all of your photos, videos. In Contacts section, you need to hit OK and then also select your contacts and even files. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on 15 Plus. Then hit OK in Camera pop-up and point your device's camera at this code. If you wish to input your key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!